It's a chilly day here at Wild World, and I get a nice warm cup of coffee first. So I've got a griddle, and I've put the heater or the burner here, here, and here, like kind of like a tripod, because I want a warm side or a keep warm side and a cook side. And by having this out underneath it, it should be relatively stable. Now the problem, of course, is in the woods, the ground's not level. So, you know, if this starts to run off one side, we'll work with it. Let's go ahead and put her on. Now, this is a new griddle. I have not cooked with this yet. Not too bad. We can work with that. In my last video, I told you I'd show you about the progress of the tractor trail. While this is cooking out, why don't you go take a look at that and see what I've been working on for the last couple of weeks, actually. A lot of cold weather down here, and then warm. Kind of like started out warm today, and the temperature is just dropping now. I can just feel the cool air coming in. It's going to be one of our coldest nights yet. So take a look at that tractor trail and all the work that went into that. And I'm probably sure I did it wrong in many ways. If I had a bigger tractor, a heavier tractor, a wider tractor, I wouldn't have taken so many precautions. But when you're out here by yourself, I don't want to be under the tractor. I want to be on top of the tractor. So tipping it over is really just not an option. So I take some extra care. Go take a look at that, and I'll catch you up on the food when I get back. Well, that was a bust. It's just too many trees in the way, thanks to Helene. I think this is what I wanted for my path or my roadway for the tractor. I'm coming through here, and I'm going to go to the right of this tree. I can do it that way, but that's a pretty big slope right there. Not sure I like that at all. I do need to come across this way, and then start my descent this way. What do you think, Stinky? I think I got a lot to do.
Did you know a small stump can stop a tractor in its tracks? I do now.
Choked. Switch.
This is a small 17 horsepower tractor. I am always amazed at the work one can do with it. I've found it best to rake the leaves and acorns to see what's really on the ground There might be roots, stumps, and varmints.
What was I thinking? I was thinking I gotta get the tractor to the bottom of that hill.
Then a bit of disaster almost struck. I felt like the tractor was going to turn over, so I bailed off. Then it wouldn't run. I had hit the PTO lever on my exit, and I didn't find it right away. And there's the black snake. Digging up roots is never fun, but it has to go. I'm not as young as I used to be.
Whew. Break time. Oh, that goes down good. A Lysol hand wipe. I don't really want to eat the dirt. Cup of coffee. Maybe that'll help me keep going. Duke's mayonnaise, fresh bread. I've been napkin, see? You need you one of those. It's Spam with bacon, single. I ordered a box, reduced the price by about almost 70 cents per unit. And that makes it quite all right. So we're just going to squeeze her out. I'm going to finish up this sandwich and have some coffee. I'm going to get back to work over here and see what I can get done on this hillside. Ha ha ha. Goes down there.
I had to keep moving dirt from the high side to the low side. Finally, things began to open up, and I packed it down as I went. Every road crew has a guy with a shovel. That was me.
That's the job for the day, is to get to the bottom of the hill. We'll see if that works. There's a lot of things can go wrong here on a hill this steep. That's what a nice sharp axe will do for you. It looks good. I don't know if it drives good, but it looks good. Take a break, come around the curve, see what we got. I have a tractor at the bottom of the hill that can't get back up. Never know. Just never know. Well, if you don't try, you won't achieve. There's your first kiss, and there's your first this. It's the first time I've been down a steep hill on a tractor like that, and I think that was a success, but you know, we still got some work to do down at the bottom of the hill. There's a place like this, you gotta try to turn around. That's a little sketchy, but we got the path in. Now we can get down here and get some work done. This process has taken a couple of weeks actually, with in between rains and you know, being super cold and frosty, and then all the other stuff, you know, cars breaking down, trucks breaking down. There's just a lot packed in to several weeks before you can see all this happen together in a compressed format. Here you go. You know what's coming, right? Yeah, there we go. Let's see if this will work. Sometimes they get a little clogged, you know. Oh man. That smells so good when it hits the hot griddle. You know, I like the food neat. It's all packaged out here over the burner, okay? It's a cold and breezy day out, so a lot of that heat is escaping from underneath. And a cup of coffee. What we want to do, take these up to the keep warm side. Oh yeah, there's some browning going on there. It looks good. And then, you probably recognize this. Oh, get off my thing. Now, I'm not the least bit ashamed to put a little more Mikey sauce on that. I kind of like this idea of having a hot side and a keep warm side. Because a lot of times your food just gets cold if you don't have enough room to cook it all at once, you know. And of course it's Spam, so it doesn't have to be overcooked. It just needs to be brought up to speed with the rest of it. I cut me up some bacon Spam and added to it. And then I'm just going to bring my vegetables down from the keep warm side. Just like that. Get that out of the way. There we go. Funky. So here you go. Here's your Spam. Here's your vegetables. A little bit of Mikey sauce on there. Oh my. This is worth the wait. Oh my. Clean that off. Oh. And by the way, yeah, that's cool off I can handle. This griddle is from a subscriber friend of mine who has sent me an early Christmas present. This is a Nordic Ware mini griddle, non-stick, aluminum. Worked out really good. It's the first time I've cooked on that. Thank you for my Christmas present. I hope you enjoyed the tractor trail video. This is a really steep hill up here. It's about a 60-foot incline, you know, right up to the top. But it's, I don't know the angle of it. I'm gonna say it's over 30% of a grade. That could get you in trouble if you get sideways, you know? And if you're skidding, you don't have any control over it going sideways. It's just gonna skid. So you have to be careful about that. Stay straight up and down, is my understanding of it. I don't have a lot of experience with riding tractors on the side of the hill, so I took a lot of precaution to make sure I could come straight down the hill and I wasn't gonna get out of control going down. I'm gonna finish up my sauteed vegetables and my bacon Spam. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Of course I'd say that, but I gotta tell you.
Like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment. It's a wild world, so get out there, and thanks for watching.